Today we're making an origami cupcake. And today we're with my sister again.
Hello. Let's get started. So first, you fold it in half diagonally so that it looks like a triangle. Doesn't have to be perfect.
That, you open it again.
Yes?
And then this time,
You do the same thing.
yeah, but don't do like all the way, you just do a pinch. One little spot. Not like the whole thing, like one little piece.
So that you still got the cross.
Yeah, this.
Next.
One huge one, one little one.
Next, you turn it around so it looks like a diamond. And you get this bottom corner and take it up all the way to this little line here that we just did.
Like the little spot, like up here, like that light thing.
And then you fold it down.
Down, right?
And
And
then-
fold it up again.
No. And then you fold it back.
Oh, yeah.
And then when you're done with that, you fold it all the way up.
No, you unfold it and then you fold it all the way up. Right? Remember? I can look. Yes, there has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Right?
Yes.
1, 2,
And
3,
then
4
after
lines.
that, you fold it all the way down to the bottom of the page.
Not page, origami paper. To the bottom of the page.
And then up.
Up
And then down.
and then down
And back up again.
and back up again. Does it look like this?
Yes, it has to look like this.
Or does it have to go all the way up?
Like this. And then now, you turn it over.
No.
And there is going, if you, I think you can see, you might be able to see through, but there's a line here.
If you put it like towards the light, you could maybe
Yeah. And then you fold it like this so that it's straight.
this,
Yes.
like this.
Like this. And then you do the other side. And then now, for the whipped cream on top,
Whipped cream, like that.
you do the zigzaggy thing again. So down, up, and down again.
Then
And then, since it looks pretty short, let's pull it up. And if the lines aren't visible, you can do some more zigzags. And then now, all you need to do is draw a face.
and it can also stand.
Then you're done. And it's
We're gonna draw like a kawaii face, like this.
on our cupcake.
Yeah.
This is optional. If you don't want to,
Yeah.
you don't have to do it.
So color in 2 eyes, 1 mouth.
Woo!
Ooh.
You could give this to someone on their birthday. You could give this to a little sister or brother, or just maybe to one of your friends.
Or a family member. Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please like it, subscribe it, and press the notification bell, just in case if we upload a new video.
Bye.